Welcome to 192 Upper Wing Trail. This stunning 5-bedroom, 3 full bath home with a 2-car garage, fenced backyard with deck and covered patio, as well as upgrades galore inside, and a full walkout basement level, is located in the Weston Woods subdivision in Blythewood, convenient to I-77, Fort Jackson, Blythewood, and Northeast Columbia amenities, and just a quick commute to Columbia, downtown Columbia as well. So out front, the home sits at the pretty much end of the street. There's street dead ends, and there's a corner right there. And then you have out front, you have a nice 2-car wide driveway leading up to the 2-car garage with carriage style door. Beautiful brick exterior as well, and you also have some nice stacked stone accenting on the as we approach the covered front entry here. Also, side lights to either side of the front door. So we step inside, and you have beautiful hardwood flooring in the downstairs level throughout the main area. So you step into his 2-story foyer as you go up, and you have real hardwood treads and wrought iron spindles on the stairs as that goes up. Crown molding downstairs here as well. So you have a nice formal dining room off of the foyer with coffered ceilings and wainscoting, and a nice large window out towards the front yard. And then a nice sized family room here as well, with a gas log fireplace and a ceiling fan. And again, that crown molding continues throughout the first level. Windows out towards the backyard and out over the back deck also. And the living room or family room is open to the kitchen, as you can see. Before we get there, there is a door here to the downstairs level. We'll take a look at that in just a few moments. But you can see the kitchen itself has a huge center island with bar seating along beautiful glass pendant lights. And you can see it's open to a large breakfast area or eat-in dining area as well. You also have built-in speakers as well as recessed lighting in here. Gray cabinets, quartz countertops, and also included stainless steel appliances. So you have it's like double ovens there, or the top one maybe a microwave. Also a French door refrigerator with a bottom drawer freezer, dishwasher, and a 5-burner gas range there as well. Nice hood and stainless steel. And again, you can see the dining area off of the kitchen also. And we'll go ahead and take you out here as well, just to the beautiful outdoor space. So out here you have a screened-in porch area, great entertaining space outside that overlooks the fenced backyard. There's also a deck out beyond that, and then you can see stairs down to the covered patio that's beneath the porch and deck. And you also see the large fenced backyard that does back up to some wooded area. I believe there's a creek back there as well. And did fail to mention the nice high ceilings throughout the main level also. Down on this end of the kitchen, you have a walk-in pantry. And also you have this nice hutch with a built-in bench and some hooks above as you come out of the access to the garage. So it's a 2-car garage. You can see there's a mid-size or small SUV parked in there right now for scale. It's giving you an idea of the size, but it's a nice size garage. You do step down a few steps to get to it. Also where the tankless water heater and I believe the sprinkler controls and water shutoff for the house are located also. So to complete this level, you also have a full bathroom downstairs as well as a bedroom that's attached. That is a linen closet with just another storage closet there. So you have nice tile flooring in the bathroom, quartz countertops. Those are in all the bathrooms as well. And you can see the walk-in shower. There's a door on this side that connects this to the bedroom, which you also access, of course, from the hall. So it's a nice sized guest bedroom down here. Has a standard size closet. It's also perfect on the main level for an office or playroom, as it does connect to that bath. So upstairs, you have your master, the other 3 bedrooms, and of course the other 2 full baths in the home. And we'll start with our master, which is on this side off the landing. So you have a beautiful master or primary bedroom suite. So you can see nice high ceilings in here as well, a ceiling fan, and the cove ceiling or tray ceiling, and nice sized room, plenty of room for a king bed and large furniture. Then you have 2 closets, 2 walk-ins flanking either side of the access to the bathroom. This one is larger than the other. And there, yeah, so there's some additional hanging space on that side. And then you have beautiful primary bathroom as well up here, tile flooring, double vanity, and quartz countertops, nice large mirror. You have a deep soaking tub, it's a garden tub, frosted glass window, and also the walk-in shower. You have a built-in towel bench and some shelving in there. And then also the private water closet here as well. And then additionally, you have several of the bedrooms up here. So attic access also. And we'll just cycle around, started from this way. So bedroom number 2 or 3, excuse me, and the other 2 bedrooms up here both do have walk-in closets, which is a great feature, and are both nice sized as well. So bedroom 2, excuse me, 4, I believe we're at now, at the end of the hall, and these face, this one faces the backyard as well. Walk-in closet there. And then your full bathroom here. You have double sinks in here off the hall, gray tile flooring, a shower and tub at that end. And also linen closet here behind the door. And then your final bedroom, of course, also with that walk-in. And then last but not least up here, you have a great bonus room as well. So just some large additional space for, again, get more additional flex space, playroom, office, recreation room, just another living room or den for TV watching, however you want to use that. You do have a nice long ledge here, a window bench built in underneath those big windows as well. And then to complete this level, finally, you have a large laundry room with tile flooring and full-size washer dryer connections. You also have a folding table and a full suite of cabinets in here as well for storage. And then the final thing that we'll show you is downstairs, and we'll try to do it quickly. And it is the walkout basement level. It's unfinished, so there's not a whole lot to see down there, but just want to show it to you for the storage potential, and also the fact that it accesses also accesses the backyard as well. So we'll see if we can pump this light up for you out down here. So as you can see, it's framed out, unfinished, but it is just more large space. So great space for storage down here if you need some additional. Could be, workout, just a sort of recreation space, pool table, racket, those sorts of things as well. And of course, you do have access to the backyard here as well. So you come out this door and you're beneath the deck, so you have sort of this covered space here. It's not completely waterproof, as you do have, some of the deck will come through, but on the part that has the screen and the roof over it, that part is dry. So just keep that in mind. So that completes our tour of this home, and I apologize for leaving you in the dark here at the end. But again, the address here is 192 Upper Wing Trail in Blythewood. You can find more information on this home by visiting turnerproperties.com.